In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this torsion bar unloading tool on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. For this vehicle, I'm using an 18mm socket. I'll take that bolt out. It's a good idea to count the threads so that you can put this back the way it was when you took it out. So you can put a little line on the socket. 1, 4, 25. 25. You can see on the keyway there's a little dimple right there. That's where the tool is going to go. You can see on the top where there's a tab. Find the hole up top, and then it's going to go right here. Taking a 1-inch socket, just tighten this down. Doesn't take much. Maybe about 3 turns. And you can take that bracket out. Loosen the tool. And slide the tool right off. Now the tension is off the torsion bars. You can slide the torsion bar forward and take the keyway out. To reinstall it, use the tool again. Get this lined up. Take that bracket, slide it through, just like that. Take the tension off. Tool comes off, put the bolt in. I'm going to count the threads. There you go. That's how you release the tension on the torsion bars and use that tool.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.